You cute as fuck, bitch. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft glam look. I'm going to already start my eyebrows. I always do that off camera anyways, and then the rest is more of a talk through sped up video, like me talking and speeding it up and everything like that. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all at the end. So the first thing I did was I did my eyebrows and stuff off camera, and I moisturized my skin. And now the next thing that I am going to do is eyeshadow. We're doing a really soft glam eyeshadow look because this is a soft glam video. So of course I'm going to be using Jackie Aina's palette. I'm so geeked. I love this palette so much. This is what it looks like. Beautiful colors. The colors are definitely beautiful. This is my favorite. Zam. Is that Zam? Zam is my favorite. Bitch. Turn up the fuck. Along with that, I'm also going to be using the Morphe palette with James Charles. So the first shade that I'm gonna go in with inside of the James Charles palette, this shade right here. This is the shade that I'm starting off with, and we're putting that over the entire lid. So once we have that shade on both sides, I actually forgot, but I'm also using a Perception palette from Makeup Shayla's collab with ColourPop, and we're going to use the color Shade in that one. That's this one right here. I'm going to go right into the crease. It's okay to use the same brush for this part. So we're just going to go right into the crease and blend that out. Day and night, night and day, all I've got to say is it's about your girl, all the things I couldn't use. I make it all my school. And I'm blending it out in circular motions. Okay, so once we have those two colors on the eye, we're gonna go in and do like a little small cut crease. What I'm not gonna do is I'm not going to go over my actual lid, like I'm not going over that. So it's gonna be like a soft cut crease. I have to be quiet on this part because if I'm not quiet, it's just not gonna work out. If I was your girl. So now that I have both eyes cut, this one's up a little high just because this eye is like weird. Then I'm gonna go back in with the shade color from the ColourPop palette, the same shade that we did in the crease. We're just gonna put it on the end right here. So now, after we have both sides blended in or whatever, I'm gonna go and use the what's over here. So I'm gonna go in and use the Jackie Aina palette from Anastasia. I fucking love this palette. I got this palette for Christmas. I was too geeked. I was so happy. Shout out to my sister. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. I love you, boo. So I'm just going in with one of these type of brushes, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pack it on where we added the concealer. I apologize, you guys. While recording, my phone went dead and I had no batteries. I mean, my phone went dead. I charged it up a little bit and storage was full, so I had to delete some stuff and all that jazz. But back. So this is just the eyes. I just added some the gold glitter to it and lashes and liner. So yeah. The best part about the soft glam is the actual face. So I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I have this in Golden Toffee. And I'm on not putting a lot. A new trick that I learned is that I don't apply it on my nose. I just work it all within my face, and then I take whatever product is left on the brush and I put that on my nose. The reason why I do that is because I feel like I sometimes have too much product on my nose, and my nose sweats sometimes, so that kind of like helps it not sweat so much. Yeah, super light coverage. Well, this is a conceal and perfect, but I'm not applying a lot, so it's not like a full coverage. So once I have all the foundation blended and on, I found this new concealer at the beauty store. I went to go get the LA Pro concealer. Sorry, I'm like stumbling over all my words. I'm sorry. It's just I talk with a list, and I've been trying to disguise it lately, and I have an underbite, and that's what causes me to sound weird, and I'm just really over it. But I found a new concealer. It's a 24-hour flawless concealer. It looks kind of just like the Pro concealer, but it's from EBIN. I don't know how to spell it. Even. I don't know, but and I have this. The shade is, what color is this? Honey. I have it in honey. Because we are doing a soft glam, we don't need a lot of concealer. So all I got to say is it's about your girl and all the things I do to you. I make it all my school. And then I'm gonna take my broken beauty blender. Blends better than my full beauty blender, so we're gonna use this to blend that. So once we have all the concealer blended out, I'm going to set it with powder and then move on to contouring and highlighting, really soft contouring and highlighting. So I'm going to use my Black Radiance setting powder. What kind is this? This is, I forgot the color. It's one of their loose setting powder. I can't remember. Honeymoon, I think. Honeymoon. I can't remember. I'm not sure, but yeah, we're gonna. This is like the color of it. And we're applying this everywhere that we applied concealer. And then so what I do when I'm contouring is I'm going to use the Black Radiance contour palette. I use the dark to deep palette because the in the medium to deep the contour color is too cool. It's not warm enough. But inside of the dark to deep one, the sculpt shade is warm, and I have more warm tones, so hence the pink background now. But I have more warm tones, so it just goes better with me. So my contour for my soft beat, let me put this back, okay. And so I take it from right here to right there in circular motions, just like that. Then I'm going to take a little bit on the tip on this little part right here, and then I put some on there, dust it off, and then we're going to do our nose contour. So I do the nose contour, I kind of take it up from the eyebrow and then come down. And then I use more powder to sculpt my actual contour. So I put on the tip of this, and then I sculpt it out just so the contour is more visible. Just like that. I do it just like that just to make sure that the contour is visible and all that. And then so we're just going to let that sit in, and I'm just going to kind of go over what I'm going to do next. So of course I'm going to wipe the powder away, and then I'm going to go in with my I'm going to wipe the contour away with my Ruby Kisses mineral powder. This is how it looks. And so I'm going to use that to actually wipe the powder away. I use the same foundation brush. It's fine. It's fine for me. And I'm not going to add any blush for this particular look, but I am going to add highlight, this one right here, and from my Black Radiance palette, and I'm going to use my little fan brush for it. So and then for my actual underneath my eye, I'm going to go in with the shade in the shade called Shade, that dark color we used up in here, and we're going to put that underneath. And then I'm going to go in with that light brown shade that's the first color that I used on my eyeshadow, and then after that I'm going to take the glitter and kind of put it underneath the eye. We're going to go with a gloss, something supernatural gloss look. So I have no idea what it's called. Like, I thought I remember, but I couldn't. But it's from Black Radiance. But first, I actually have a video on this lip combo. So let me just sharpen it. I have a video on this lip combo. All right, guys. So this is the final look for our soft glam look that we did today. I apologize for my eyeshadow part cutting off so fast, but it's a really super easy eyeshadow look. I mean, if y'all want a video of me going, if you guys want a video of me going more in depth for the eyeshadow, I could do that, but it's really like a 3-color eyeshadow look, like super easy. Anybody can do it, literally. So yeah, so this is the final look that we came up with for our soft glam. A lot of people say they like this face on me, this look right here, and so I decided, why not record it so everybody can see it. I got my bun in my head and I'm looking cute AF. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.